Hello everyone, this is Manish and today we are going to create analytic views on in SAP HANA. So we did created attribute view in our last tutorial. So on the base of those tables, those that attribute view will create an analytic view. So actually, what is analytic view? Analytic views are used to model data that includes measures. Okay. um, we can model columns, calculated columns, restricted columns, variable and input parameters in analytic view. So we'll talk about all this in coming tutorials. So this would be a simple example of creating only analytic view, and we'll create all those things onto on analytic and calculated views in our coming tutorials. So actually analytic view is the form of star schema which we talked about, where we join one fact table which sits in the between two multiple dimensional tables surrounding it. Okay, we can perform calculations and aggregate functions like sum, count, minimum, maximum, all in analytic view. Okay, it's designed to run star schema. Okay, and so we'll start with creating a analytic view, but first we'll create our two transactional tables because we need that fact table. So first we'll go into our schema here. So I have the sample code for it, so I will be providing this code. So I'm just putting values from this code so that it's because of the time we could have created we have seen how to create a table and how to create a how to insert values inside it in our previous tutorials. So I'm just creating it because of the time. Okay, so it's done. We'll insert values inside it. So yeah, it's done. So one more table. Okay, we also will insert values inside it. Okay, so these two things are done. So we'll refresh. You can see our table over here, but we'll refresh our schema. So our two tables are created now. So what we need to do is we'll go to our package that we have created earlier in last sessions. So we'll go to content. Package would be here. Right click on it, new, attribute, analytic view. Okay, so here three things are there: semantics, star join, and data foundation. In data foundation we can add all the fact tables and send it to star join as a fact table. We can in output we can create a lot of other tables, lot of other things. So like we can add columns, we can add calculated columns, restricted columns, input parameters, we can even add variables. So all these things we will do it in coming sessions. So first we'll add both the tables. we'll join these two, pure number with the pure one, and set the cardinality is equal to -2, and okay, we'll talk about cardinality in coming sessions. So we'll have another session for joins and cardinality. So we'll add few of the columns. Okay, so we added all those. Okay. So this is our star join. What we'll do, we have already created one attribute view, so we'll add that attribute view over here. So let's see what is doing now. So we can do one thing. Just first do this, and we'll add product ID. Okay, now what we need to do is define a measure. So what happens whenever we create a analytic view, we must define a measure for that particular this to work. So what we'll do, we'll mark it as a, so we can do it from two places, one from here and one from here, this one. Okay, so I'm just taking others as a attribute. Selecting all as attribute. Okay, so this is done now. It will do, go to semantics again, we'll validate it. So it's done, I think so. We'll activate it. Done. Now our attribute view is ready. We can put that particular one as hidden or keep it like that one. So data preview. Yeah, so we can see it over here, and you can see the raw data over here. Okay. just keep it, we'll check it. And okay, so this product ID was hidden, so that's why I was not able to see it. So done. Thank you everyone. So in next sessions we will be learning how to create calculated columns, how to create restricted columns, how to create input parameters and variables, and we'll work on all those things.